G'day viewers, well, for some reason when I edit movies on Movie Maker, for some reason it's cropping the video files down. I use my usual 480p because if I left this in 1080p, the original camera's format, it would just take too long to bloody upload. That's why I only do some videos in HD but not all. Because it just takes too long to bloody upload. I've been lucky to get 10 to 20 minute HD videos a day with their internet connection. That's why I upload in 480p. And it's been fine in the normal 480p right up until about a week ago, and it started getting cropped down. The black bars are in it. Why? I'm now going to have to start editing the bloody videos on YouTube to crop the video to fit full screen again, which I think can compromise the quality of the video even more. What the hell is this Movie Maker doing? Oh well, I have to find some other way. Try this machine again, edit with this machine. I found some really good good quality RAM, cheap for this. So I've got 8GB of the highest speed this board can support of DDR2 RAM, and it's much faster now. I've salvaged the USB port off the that little kiosk, photo kiosk. There's two USB ports would have been in the front of the machine. I just modified a bracket and put it inside this case. I got two discrete circuit USB ports inside this case, which I've plugged the Wi-Fi, a Wi-Fi dongle and a Bluetooth dongle, which are hidden inside the case. So no more dongles sticking out the back. Just have them inside, nice and discreet. That's worked out quite well. Anyway, much faster. Much faster now, much faster. Not bad for something I didn't spend much money on. A budget PC isn't always a bad PC if you got a lot of if you get a lot of surplus stuff collected up over time. No spying on Windows 10 either. I've got all the spying disabled on this thing. No Cortana, nothing to spy on. So it's all been made private, so to speak. Anyway, I'll edit this video on this machine and see how this machine renders it. My Windows 7 computer, for some reason, one of the other ones, somewhat, it was fine and it cropped it for some stupid reason. I don't know what, I didn't touch any settings in Movie Maker or anything. I'll have to look into that, but we'll see how it goes with editing the videos on this machine. I know I was trying to edit the videos and render them faster now with 8GB of RAM instead of the 2GB I had, which is only 600 MHz speed. It's much faster now. This thing will be pretty good with an SSD. How cool's that, eh? Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.